Most beautiful ladies in all of gospel music, I believe.
I agree with you.
One of the most talented.
Yeah.
She sang with the late Wendy Bagwell for over 30 years. I know you all know her and you all love her, so let's make her welcome.
Let's do it.
Little Jan Buckner. Give her a great hand.
Welcome, Jan.
Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, to foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, purchase of born of His Spirit, washed in His blood, and this is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. Perfect submission, all is at rest. I in my Savior, I'm happy and blessed, watching and waiting. I'm the King of all, filled with His goodness, lost in His love. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day There was nothing that she could not do. When I needed Mama, she'd always come through. With a smile and a tender touch, she'd make it right. And I thought she'd be with me all of my life, all of my life. She would close her eyes as I sat on her knee and talk about a home place that I could not see. She said the Lord had made it just for us to go, and it's just across the river down the road, down the road where my Savior is waiting down the road. All my loved ones will greet me. Everything that I love, heaven has to hold, and it's just across the river down the road. Oh, later in life as she lay there in bed, she took me by the hand and tenderly said, "Child, don't weep for me. I'm just going home, but I'll see you cross the river down the road, down the road where my Savior is waiting down the road. All my loved ones will greet me. Everything that I love, heaven has to hold, and it's just across the river down the road, down the road where my Savior is waiting down the road. All my loved ones will greet me. Everything that I love, heaven has to hold, and it's just across the river. It's just across the river. It's just across the river, down the road. I love you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Jan Buckner. Jan Buckner. What a wonderful talent.
She makes it look and sound so easy. She's great.
Have you all noticed how God packs big talent in little people sometimes?
She's great.
She is wonderful. I remember the first time I heard Jan, I had the opportunity of working with her and Wendy and Jerry for quite a while. And I heard Jan at a live performance, and she got out the harmonica. Have any of you folks heard little Jan play the harmonica before? Oh my goodness. She was just amazing talent. So it was very enjoyable she was with us tonight.
She's a multi-talented woman, isn't she?
I would say that.